Alright, so we got some work to do on the old Dodge here. And for once, we actually have to let it warm up a little bit before we can put some of this rust converter on it. So we cleaned the doors out. This whole vehicle has been nothing but mud dauber nest. When was the last time you seen separate keys for the doors? So we got the doors all cleaned out. We're going to fill those full of the rust converter. We're going to do the A-pillars as well. Really not a whole lot of rust on this thing, although I know the floors are gone. That's what this hump here is. This hump is the body mount. We got to pull that carpet out eventually too. But we got to wait for that to warm up. Let me show you what else we got here. I had the whole inside the door lined with this bubble wrap, and you can see all the mud. That's mud daubers. Also, this internal frame coating is supposed to keep everything from rusting. It's kind of nice, cool enough. Got the flannel out. So it has a very unique nozzle. Now it's green, which we don't really care because it's inside the door. But this nozzle is made to go up inside of things. And I'll show you how we'll use this inside the door. Alright, so that I can reach down in the door, this thing's got some set to it. So this little bitty nozzle has holes on the side so it sprays out in the cone. It's primarily made to reach up in those little pockets in the frame. What we're just going to do here is take a piece of welding wire. You could easily do a coat hanger or a stick or anything. And that way if you got to reach up inside of a frame or a bracket, that's what this is made for. Alright, so we got to let it warm up just a little bit. I'll show you how we get this all sprayed out. So first we'll do the rust converter, and then we'll do the, now this is green, I think they make green and silver. It's going to go in the door, I really don't care. So let me show you that. Alright, so it's going to be kind of hard to see, but basically we're just going to reach up in there and try to do the best we can, keeping the window up just so that for this it's going to be hard to get it all, make sure everything's covered, so it's just approximation. So just giving it a good coating. Some of these areas I just can't get to, so. Alright, so it comes with that factory nozzle, so we're going to switch that out. I'm going to try to do this without getting it everywhere, but I get a feeling it's going to be. So let's just see. Oh, that's going to be a mess. Alright, so we're going to start by the side of the door here. A little on the inside here. Trying to get it down in its seam. These are areas you don't really see anyway, so it's pretty cool. It's a little star-shaped pattern. You can see it. It's nice and green all the way back in there, so that's good. And on the bottom, inside of those areas, it's not a finished type paint. It's just made to get in there. And so let's turn this truck around and let's do the other side. Alright, so we still have to go through the frame and scrub that down and the rust encapsulator. And then, I'm sorry, we got the rust converter, not encapsulator. So we got the rust converter. And then I still have to go through here and mix up, and we'll either brush or spray on this encapsulator. So just trying to bring this old beast back to life. So we've got a couple cans of this. I'm not looking forward to getting underneath here and scrubbing, but it's part of the process. Anyway, looks like this stuff's going to work pretty good. I know a lot of good reviews on it. Check out this stuff from Eastwood. I'll leave links below. Short video, but just showing you what we're doing with it. And I'll see you here if you're looking for some fabrication stuff. See you next video.